Hey friends, we're checking out this TCL Roku TV today. And what I'm gonna do is reset it to its factory default settings. I've got my remote here, so let's go ahead and get this done. I'm actually going to be selling this TV, and this is a really good opportunity to do this. It basically recycles it to its factory settings, make sure all of your passwords and things for all of your accounts are deleted. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, again, using the remote, I'm just gonna hit the left button, and that's gonna move us over into a sub menu. And then we're gonna go down here to settings. I'm gonna click on settings. Now it's gonna give us some different options. I'm actually gonna hit the up arrow, and that's gonna bring us to system. Once I go over here, we can actually go down, and what we're looking for is advanced system settings right here. I'm gonna click over, and then as you can see, we've got a factory reset right here. Now, if I cruise over one more time, you can see we can do a couple things. You can actually reset the audio and picture settings to the factory default, which is really nice. I actually want to factory reset everything. Now remember, all of your downloads, all of your apps, all those kind of things are gonna be deleted off of the TV. So don't do this unless you really want to set this up again for the very first time. That's exactly what I want to do. I'm going to click OK. Now, as you can see, there's a little code down here. So we need to enter that code. Again, they're just wanting you to walk through this and make sure it wasn't accidentally being clicked on by maybe a child or something like that. Let's hit 7, let's hit 6, and click OK. Okay, as you can see, we're going to need to pair remotes and all those kind of things again from your phone. And again, I'm totally fine with this. You can go to go.roku.com if you need some additional help with this process. All right, let's go ahead and hit the Start Factory Reset. Okay, the TV will go through a reboot. This process takes maybe a minute and a half, and then it'll go back to its original factory default screen. And there, as you can see, we get our original factory home screen that we can walk through the process of setting up now. Hope that's helped, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know we're making good videos. We're making a bunch more of these smart TV videos, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again on the next one.